I'll be showing you how to translate your Shopify store into different languages using the Hextom app. So if you haven't heard of this app before, it makes it super easy to translate your store. And there is a completely free plan that includes 180 plus currencies and free auto translation to 4 or 5 languages. It also has manual and AI translation, and it includes edible translations for 20 languages. So you can find this on the Shopify App Store. And once you get to the app page here, you just want to click Install App. Let's go and set up everything step by step so you can provide your customers with your store translated into different languages. So if you're comfortable with permissions, click Install. And so overall, this is going to require a few steps to set up. First though, let's ensure this app is working properly. We need to make sure that it's enabled in our Shopify theme. So on the left-hand side here, I'm going to hover over Online Store. I'm going to right-click and open it up in a new tab. This is so we just don't close with the app, so we can easily open up in just a second. So this should open up the Shopify themes page automatically. And I want to go to Customize here in the center of the page. Now from there, I want to go to App Embeds on the left-hand side. I can see translator core snippet is at the top here. I could also search for it by just searching translator. I want to toggle it to enable it. I want to hit save in the top right here, ensure the app is enabled correctly. So once I'm done that, I can go back to the previous tab I was just on, and let's go and set up our languages. So I'm going to click on add languages here. And so we can see there are a few steps involved. The first one is to go to the bottom of the page, select and add a language. Then we can click publish in the unpublished language table. And after that, the language will be visible on our website. So let's go down here. We can see the market settings. It's currently Canada, so the language is English. So let's go and add a different language here. So let's try and add French here. So add language. Once I've selected French, we can see it's now an unpublished language here. And the translation status is translated. So let's click publish next. And we can now see French has been published. So if we head back to the dashboard here, you can also get here by clicking on dashboard in the top left. Let's go enable our currency selector. So if I click on configure, I can then go to the selector disabled. I can toggle it to enable it. And I can see that the language selector is there. Now I don't have the currency or region selector because we haven't gone and set those up in this video. I can create an additional video on how to do that. Now for our selector, we can choose whether just have the language name or the language code. We can even do no labels and just add the flag, but let's stick it as language name for now. I will also include flags. I'm going to leave them as the default. And in terms of the position, let's move it on to the bottom left as I do have something in the bottom right for this store. We can also set the browser language. And it's going to be default, but they can switch it to French if they want to. Next, I'm going to click save here to finalize those changes. And let's go check that everything is working okay. So if I head to the homepage for my Shopify store, let's scroll down here. And although this Shopify button is here as I am in a preview, let's go and change this to Francais. And so I've changed the language here and it's gone and translated everything on my page here. I can see the product name has been translated, the collection title has been translated, as well as even my menu options. So overall, this was an extremely easy way to translate my Shopify store. I've now made it easy for customers to go and select which language they want to translate in, and it's going to do this automatically. And so in this video, we just added one language here. If I go and click into any of the products, we can see after just a second, it has translated everything on the product page as well. So we just added one language here, but you can feel free to add more depending on where you're advertising to. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much profit your store has actually made. That's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in. It's the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. You can get one-click calculations. All you need to do is select the date range you're looking for, and you're going to get real-time calculations for your revenue, cost of goods sold, as well as your ad spend, including Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Pinterest, TikTok, and Bing. And it also has integrations with CJ Dropshipping and AliExpress. You get a ton of different details and analytics, and there's a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. There's a link in the description below to access the Shopify app listing. You can also search for it in the Shopify App Store by searching Profit Calc and looking for this logo in the top left here. So make sure you check that out to get one-click profit calculations. So this concludes the video here on how to translate your store using Hextom. Hextom, it's a very simple setup from going and enabling our app embeds to go and adding our languages, then adding a selector so the customer can select which language they want to view our store in. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.